It's Mr. Crone. Remember me, I'm your science teacher. It's been a while. I hope you all are safe at home, washing your hands, staying away from groups of people as much as possible. We miss you a lot. We can't wait to get back together into the classroom, start learning as a group again. But until then, we are going to be doing some online learning. Today, I'm going to show you how to access your lessons on Nearpod. So this is a website that lets me get a sense of what you're learning by doing some cool things. So let's get started. First off, if you have a phone or a tablet, the best thing to do is download the Nearpod app. Just go to your app store, type in Nearpod, Nearpod, and that'll take you to the app. You can download it for free, and that'll be the quickest way to get to our lessons. If you have a computer, you can also do it online, like I'm doing right now, by just typing in Nearpod into your search bar. You're going to go to the Nearpod student login right here. But it doesn't take too long. Still loading. Still loading. Still loading. Cool, we made it. Only took 20 minutes. All right, so you are going to add in the session code. So I'm going to be giving you session codes throughout the week. That'll be your assignment for today. I will either text it to you or post it right in the video like I'm doing right now. So our code this week is AVZEN. AVZEN. You click join session. It should take you right to our session. You're going to put your name in. Let's just say my name is NLE, because no teacher, because you know I am. And you're also going to put in your homeroom. So if you're in NYU, you put NYU. If you're in Auburn, you put in Auburn, etc. So I'm just going to go with Morehouse because that's it. All right, we're in. Here's our slides. So our first week, we're going to be reading about or learning about matter. Some of you say, well, we've already talked about that. You're right. But it's always good to review to make sure that it's fresh in our brains, especially as we go for 6th grade. We're going to be spending a lot more time talking about particles and atoms and those kind of things. To start off, our key points are explain what matter is. So you're going to be able to explain what matter is by the end of this lesson, and you're going to be able to name the 3 states of matter and explain how their particles are arranged. So if you can do those things at the end, you've been successful. To start off, we got an open-ended question. So this is where you're going to talk to me. I have a question up in the corner, and I am going to have you guys answer it. So to answer it, all you got to do is this big blue rectangle. You're just going to type into it. Remember to use a complete sentence. So what is matter? Matter is, and you type in your answer. This is just to get our brains thinking. So if you don't know, just do your best guess. But hopefully you got some idea because we have talked about it. After that, they've got some slides for you to read. So this one is about what is matter. So this will tell you what matter is. Read through the slides. You're also going to watch a cool video. Make sure you're paying attention to what you're looking for. So it says pay attention to what matter is and what states it comes in. So while you're watching the video, that's what you should be thinking about. What is matter and what are the states that it comes in? So the video is out, I think it's like 5 minutes. It's a pretty good video, pretty entertaining. It'll pop up on your screen. You'll just push the play button and it'll play the video for you. We're going to watch it right now, of course. After that, it's got some questions about the video that you're going to answer. So the questions are up here. Your answer choices are down here. You'll just click on the one that you want. Sometimes there's more than one, depending on the question, but this one's only one. Once you've clicked your answer, you click on the arrow. It'll take you to the next question. 2 out of 5. Again, same thing. Pick your answer. I'm just going to click on random ones. Tell me there are more than one. Click your answers, etc. Then right away I'll tell you what score you got. I got 40 out of, or 2 out of 5, which is 40%. That's not great. Hopefully you'll do better. But again, that's how it works. So you just click your answer, and it'll submit it for you. That way I can keep track of how well you paid attention to the video, and you can keep track of if you paid attention to the right things. More things to read. Again, if you need help reading, feel free to ask a brother and sister, or your parents or grandparents, whoever else might be able to help you if some of these words are a little tricky for you. Alright, so then after you're reading, there's going to be a chance for you to respond. Explain why this dog is considered to be matter. So you can click on the picture to make it bigger. Aw, cute little puppy. And you're going to be writing down in a complete sentence why this dog is considered to be matter. Once you're finished, you'll hit the submit button. That'll send it to me. I'll be able to give you feedback, give you a grade for it, etc. More things to read. Some pictures, some examples. Now, this is one of my favorite things. So on Nearpod, you're able to draw some pictures that you can send to me. So this one says, draw how the particles of a solid are arranged. So right down here, you've got your drawing tool. You can pick different colors. You can change the size to make it really big, really teeny tiny. And you just pick, I'll do green because it's my favorite color. You can draw your picture, your particles, etc. It's kind of tricky to do on a computer. If you had a phone, you'd be able to use your finger, it'd be a little bit easier. You could also use a marker. So that's just the marker, different colors, same idea. Pick it, draw. If you really don't like what you've drawn, you can either erase the whole thing by clicking this, or use the eraser right down here to erase just part of it. If you want to label, I recommend using the text box. So all you gotta do is click on the 2 T's down here, and you can type in, say, solid, make it darker, make the letters bigger by going like this. And that way, it's easy to label. You don't have to worry about writing it with your finger or your mouse. Once you finish, you'll hit again, submit. That'll send it to me. I'll know that you are done with it. More to read. Same idea. You're going to draw how the particles in a liquid are arranged using the drawing tool. You do the exact same thing for gas. Read about it. Draw how the particles are arranged. The try it section's for you to do at your home. So with someone at your house, see who can find the most solids, liquids, and gases in 3 minutes. So I've got a timer for you. You'll have 3 minutes to come up with a list. I would write them down, but you can do them in your brain as well. Try it with your little brother, your little sister, parents, whoever else might be around, so that they can also help you out learning. Don't forget what you've written down, though, because you're going to have to write a list of some of the solids, liquids, and gases you found at your house. Hopefully you'll have at least 10, 20. Go big here. You guys are smart enough, you can definitely come up with a big list. When you're finished, once you're done typing, you'll push submit. Now it's your exit ticket. So your exit ticket, you're going to label the boxes as either solid, liquid, or gas by looking at the particles. So take a look at the particles, write about which one is the solid, which is the liquid, and which is the gas. You'll just write on the line underneath. And then finally, the second question is, you're going to name one thing that is matter and explain why. So you're going to pick something. You can pick something from your house, something from your imagination, but write about why it is matter, making sure that you use our definition of matter, which you learned about earlier. Again, submit it, and that's it. You're welcome to do it as many times as you want, so if you need to go back and double check an answer, you can click start over. It'll take you right to the beginning. You're in. Go back to the part that you maybe were struggling with. A fast way to do that is clicking through the arrows, skipping as much as you can. So say struggled with what is matter. So you can go back to the explanation of what matter is and go ahead and finish your quiz later. You're going to have 3 days to do this, so if it's taking you a while, you're welcome to pause it. You can get back to where you were, as long as you use the same name. I will hopefully give you feedback and get it back to you as fast as possible, hopefully by Friday. If you need anything, feel free to call me, text me, you can email, we can FaceTime, whatever you need to get this done. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, again, let me know. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.